Conditional statements, if-else statements. In the previous exercise, we used an if statement that checked a condition to decide whether or not to run a block of code. In many cases, we'll have code we want to run if our condition evaluates to false. If we wanted to add some default behavior to the if statement, we can add an else statement to run a block of code when the condition evaluates to false. Take a look at the inclusion of an else statement. If false, console.log, the code in this block will not run. Else console.log, but the code in this block will. An else statement must be paired with an if statement, and together they are referred to as an if-else statement. In the example above, the else statement uses the else keyword following the code block of an if statement. Has a code block that is wrapped by a set of curly braces. The code inside the else statement code block will execute when the if statement's condition evaluates to false. If-else statements allow us to automate solutions to yes or no questions, also known as binary decisions. Instructions: add an else statement to the existing if statement. Inside the code block of the else statement, console.log the string time to wait for sale. So inside that very same code block with the if statement, add the else if. So an else statement, not an else if, an else statement, right? So we don't even need to set the condition, because obviously if the cell is equal to true, else, then obviously the cell will only be able to equal to false. So there's no other condition that would need to be met. So you can just put else, and you can just console.log string that is needed for the false statement. Time to wait for a sale. Okay, I'm going to run it. As you can see, we reassigned the variable over here. We took sale, we reassigned it to false. So, and as you can see, time to wait for a sale.